Christmas. I hope everyone is happy. Those that wanted the snow finally got the snow. Congratulations to the 17 out of 6 million Massachusetts people that were groveling for a little bit of snow. I hope this snow lasts. There's a guy with a little puppy crossing the street. Oh my God. Slow down, Chief.
Oh, he's carrying him in his jacket.
How you not gonna let a guy with a puppy cross the street? Come on, man. So anyways, this global warming stuff forgot about us for a couple of days. We're back to New England weather. People slipping and sliding.
They forgot how to drive in the snow.
They forgot how to drive in the snow after 2 years without good snow. And then this is not even that much snow. I'm not trying to be negative though. It's nice. It's beautiful. It's nice to see it. It's not so much snow that it's gonna ruin anyone's day or plans, so that's okay. Uh-oh, I hear police. Where are they coming from? Uh-oh, they coming this way. They coming this way. All right. The police. The snowmen are already getting into it. Another drive video brought to you by John from Boston. We're somewhere in the state of Massachusetts, outside of Boston. Driving around and enjoying the beautiful weather. Massachusetts is actually a beautiful state. It is. It's a beautiful state. The only thing, if you only come to Boston, you're only gonna see, the buildings, and you're gonna only smell the pee-pee from the bums. And they're gonna be out here, especially in the summer. It smells like flowers all over the place in Massachusetts during the summertime.
Outside of the city, but yes.
Outside of the city, yeah. And even in the city, you find a couple gardens that are very nice and smell very beautiful. But outside the city, you can find whole swaths of land covered in flowers and beauty in the summer. In the winter, it still looks beautiful. It's just cold. So if you like the cold, you'll be good. Just wear a hoodie and wear your coat on top of the hoodie. And under that, you better have a long john, and under the long john, have a t-shirt. And then you'll be good. What's the big news? What's the big news in town? Let's entertain the people.
What's the big news?
Yeah, what's the big news going on today? What's today's date?
20th?
It's the 20th of December, 2024. The government may shut down, but I was so busy working that I didn't really know why.
Don't they always shut down every year?
I mean, they're not supposed to.
But they do.
But lately, they've been threatening to shut down every time somebody has a fit. They don't like a bill. They don't like that. We're gonna. But it's a serious thing, because the last time, remember, they shut down and they stopped paying people, and it was like in the spring. I forgot exactly when it was, but it's the holiday season. You're really gonna have all these federal employees. There's a lot of federal employees, and they're not gonna get paid during the holiday season. Come on, man. Get this thing solved like adults. people making the choices don't have to live with the consequences. They all have money and whatnot. But a lot of federal employees are just regular schmegler people. We need to change as a society and stop being a stress-based culture. I don't think it's working out. Not for everybody, at least. Some people it's working out beautifully. I mean, for us, it's working out pretty good. We're out here making videos, taking joyrides. But we can't be blind to those who the ebbs and flows of the economy and politics affect the most. The vulnerable. Like this lady trying to get into traffic. You gotta let them in. Let people into traffic. You gotta let the people into traffic. I don't know why some people will not let you into traffic. Not only that, if you are in front of some people and you let people into traffic, they get mad at you. Like, bro, we're not racing. We all got things to do and places to go.
You might push a little to the right. The line. Well, I can't even see the lines.
Yeah, don't worry about the lines. Don't worry about the lines.
I'm worried about the cars are coming.
They'll be all right. They have that space over there. Ahora viene y sale en el video tú corrigiendo mi drive.
Para que veas.
Kiko, you guys heard of Kiko? Kiko Jones? You never heard of Kiko Jones?
No.
Google him. Oh, we forgot Amanda's stuff.
No, I got it.
The line was all the way over there. What are you talking about? I know where the line is. But in your defense, I was covered in snow. Let me go. Thank you, sir.
No shooting in Sharon.
No shooting in Sharon.
That's what the thing said.
Put the camera down. Put the camera down.